Hello. Okay, how to do this? Tube tool, pass. And change the topology. Yes. Like this. The higher the topology, yes, you can adjust the spiral with it. And now you can validate it. And we need another one. And topology changing. Okay. Now it works. Snap function on. And snapping is every point. And it's helpful to change the material to additive. And oh, there's post-processing on. That you can look through the mesh. And now you can add point by point. Oh, check on lock function. And now bring every point like this in position on the mesh. Yes. This is how it works. And the division of the first tube is yes, the spacing of the spiral, or the more divisions. Yes. And that's it. Ciao. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.